Right. Good morning to all of you. This is the question which has been asked in the year 2024 from the Unit 1. Explain the C tokens with examples. Yes, with the examples, we have to explain the C token. First of all, we have to learn about what is the meaning of a token. If the token stands for, the token can be defined like this one. A token in C can be defined as the smallest individual element of the C program. The smallest part which can be easily understandable to the compiler. That can be meaningful to the compiler. Means it is a basic component of the C program. The C program, if you are taking any basic component which can be understandable to the compiler, those are called as a token. In the C language, the tokens are divided like this one. They are categorized into 6 types here. They are the keywords, operators, identifiers, constants, strings, as well as the special symbols here. Here I will explain the one of the First of all, we are going with the first type of tokens. It is called as the keywords. The first one is the keyword. Here the keywords are nothing but these are the predefined as well as the reserved words. Why? Because these are having a predefined meaning. These cannot be used as the identifiers. Means if you are taking any keyword, they are having a specific function, specific meaning here. For example, if I am taking the auto represents the automatic variable. Means whenever the function is called, these variables are created automatically. When function is completed, it can be completed. They are destroyed automatically. If you are using the break here to come out of the for loop or while loop or the do while loop or switch statement, we are using the breaks too. Next, if you are having the word as a case, the case meaning is the here the case of the switch point of whenever the expression value will match the case values, then we are using the case word. The switch is a multi-word decision making system or a multiple decision making. Next, while is for the for loop. If you are having the for is for the loop purpose only, do is for the loop purpose only. There is a const keyword to represent the constant value. Here the C language provides the 32 keywords. Means if we are taking any keyword, they are having a predefined meaning. Means these are called as the reserved words also. Next, come the second one. The second one is the identifiers. The identifiers main duty is to give the names for the it may be variable or it may be the function or it may be the array. To give the names of any one of these things. At the time, we have to learn about the identifiers. In the case of the identifiers point of view, here they were contain the letters and digits, either a letter or the underscore as a first character. Means here also here I am writing the identifier like this one. In this identifier, the first character must be it may be the alphabet. Means we can use the small letters or the capital letters, or we can use the underscore. Means the very first letter of the identifier must be alphabet or the underscore. The remaining stands for from the second letter onwards. They may be alphabets or they may be the digits here. Here I give the one simple example n1. In this point of view, n is a alphabet, 1 is a number. This is accepted. n2. It is also valid identifier. If I give the name like this one n, this is not the valid identifier. Why? Because the first one is a digit here. The digits will not be accepted as a first character, first letter. The first letter must be alphabets only, or by the underscore. From the second onwards, they may be the alphabets or they may be the digits here. This is about the identifiers. Next, the third one is the constant scale. Constants are just like the normal variable scale. The main difference between the constants and the normal variables is the in the case of the constant point of view, once the value is given, that will not be changed until the completion of the program. Here I am clearly written that the constants refers to the variables with the fixed values. The data will not be changed here. These are like the just like normal variable. The difference is that their value cannot be modified in the program once they are defined like this one. Here I wrote the float pi 3.14. Okay. Here for this pi variable, I am assigning the value as a 3.14. Here is the pi value. The pi value is a 3.14. I am making this variable as a constant. Okay. Whenever there is a COST keyword at the time, the compiler understands that the pi is a constant variable. Okay. Let's come to the fourth one. strings. Okay, if we are taking the strings here, the string is nothing but whenever there is an array of characters or a group of characters which are ending with the null character slash zero, means at the ending whenever there is a slash zero, it is called as a string type data. For example, if I wrote the character s1 of 20 in Java, okay, in this point of view, the data has been stored like this one. Whenever there is s1 of 20, it allocates the 20 cells. Okay, it allocates the 20 cells like this one. The starting index is 0, the ending index is 19. Okay. Here I give the data as the Java. The data has been stored like this one, JAVA. After that, the ending will be the slash array will be stored. Why? Because whenever there is no slash at the time, in these places the garbage value parented. To avoid this problem, the compiler will automatically insert the slash zero at the end of the every string. This is the fourth one. Let's come to the fifth one, special symbols. Okay. Special symbols are nothing but here the special symbols having their own meaning. Okay. These cannot be used for the other purposes. Okay. For example, if you are having the hash symbol, okay, hash represents the pre-process symbol. This is called as the pre-processor. In the syllable writing the hash includes .h, means it is having special meaning. If we are taking this symbol, this is called as the logical NOT symbol. Okay. Next, if you are taking the square brackets, these are used to represent the index here. For example, I want to give the E of 3 or E of 5 like this. To represent the index, we are using the square brackets. If we are taking the curly braces, they represent the A block. To represent the any block, we are using the curly braces. Whenever there is a star symbol, it represents the multiplication. It can be also used as a pointer variable. These are the special symbols here. Let's come to the operators. Here the operators are the symbols that can be triggered an action whenever it can be operated with the variables. Means operator stands for it is a symbol to represent mathematical or logical operations. Here we are from the these type of words are there. Arithmetic operators. Means it may be plus, minus, multiplication, division and the model division. Or relational operators less than equals to, greater than equals to, equals to and the not equals to. The logical operators, logical and as well as the logical or and the logical not symbol. If you are taking the assignment operator, equals to, plus equals to, minus equals to, star equals to, division equals to, mod division equals to. If you are taking the bitwise operators, bitwise and bitwise or bitwise exclusive or left shift on the right side. Here all these are comes under the tokens here. For example, I wrote the code like this one. Hash include stdio.hk. I wrote the one single line here. Okay. In this point of view, the hash symbol is the first token. The second token is the include word. Next, the third token is the less than symbol. The fourth token is the stdio. The fifth token is the dot symbol. The sixth one is the hedge, and the seventh one is the greater than symbol. Okay. All these are the tokens here. Token stands for the smallest unit which can be easily understandable to the compiler. The hash is a token, include is a token, less than is a token, stdio is a token, dot is a token, h is a token, greater than is a token.